Good afternoon, viewers. I am Conrad Saki, the Minister of Basic and Senior Secondary Education, and I'm here to present the highlights of the results of the West African Senior Secondary School Certificate Examination 2024. The 2024 May-June WAS results for school candidates were released to the Ministry of Basic and Senior Secondary Education, MBSSC, on Thursday, October 3rd, 2024. 146,179 candidates from 816 schools in Sierra Leone entered for the May-June WAS in 2024. This entry total of 146,179 is significantly less than